Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are all doing great and are having a lovely day or evening or night, whichever part of the day you all are watching this video in. This video is going to contain a lot of updates. मैं बताती हूँ as we proceed. I'll tell you everything. First and foremost, I want to start off by saying that a lot has been happening in our lives ever since we started vlogging. I am not sure कि आप लोगों को vlogs में कितना दिख रहा है, but बहुत कुछ चल रहा है. There's a lot of new things that are happening in life right now. It's been a roller coaster, nothing less than that. The biggest change in this entire scenario that I'm talking about is the fact that we are getting married.
लड़की माला पहना.
Yes, people who know us closely, people who know us personally already know that Devesh and I are getting married in Jan. So there's not a lot of time left and there's a lot to do. So the wedding is happening on the 31st of Jan. We have two weddings actually. One is a Christian wedding and the other is a Gujarati wedding because I am Catholic and Devesh is a Gujarati. So we plan to have both styles of weddings. So 31st को हमारा Christian wedding है and उसके एक दिन बाद second Feb को गुजराती style में Hindu wedding होगी. So that was one major update for you guys. So yeah, in short, you guys will be seeing a lot of wedding related content on this channel in the future. जैसे कि we have already started shopping for a few things and I am planning to collate all of those. मतलब एक साथ सबको मिला के मुझे वीडियो डालना है, तो वो टुवर्ड्स द एंड आप लोगों को दिखेगा वो वीडियो कि हम क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, शॉपिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेक क्लिप्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ दोज सो दैट यू गाइज कैन बी अ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ द एंटायर fiasco that is going on. Along with that, we are also, you may have seen the house tour video जिसमें हमने आपको एक empty house tour दिखाया था. So that house, that again is a new house that we are making. So after getting married, I will be shifting into that house. So it's going to be a new house for me also. And there's a lot of work. I mean, if any of you are aware, even slightly, you would know कि घर खरीदना, उसको शुरू से रेनोवेट करवाना, बनाना, बहुत there's a lot to it, okay? And मिसलेनियस इतने सारे चीज़ें हो जाते हैं, मतलब पेंट से लेके डिज़ाइन से लेके फर्नीचर, एवरीथिंग नीड्स टू बी डिसाइडेड. सो वी आर कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन द रन टू all of these stores and these showrooms for appliances and stuff like that. Moving to the important topic. I mean, इससे पहले भी important topics ही थे, but this is the main reason I'm making this video. You may have seen initially कि हमने एक्चुअली कपल्स चैनल स्टार्ट किया था, वासा एंड आई. बाय द वे, बहुत लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन हो सकता है कि मैं कभी कभी उसको देवेश, कभी कभी उसको वासा बुलाती हूँ. तो इनिशियली क्या हुआ था, आई टेल यू. सो ही इंट्रोड्यूसेस हिमसेल्फ टू एवरीवन एज वासा, ओके. तो मुझे ऐसे शुरू से, मुझे मेरे घर में मम्मी पापा सबको ही हैबिट है उसको वासा बोल के बुलाने का, ठीक है. बट अब क्या हो गया है, हिज सरनेम इज वासा एंड आई मीन इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज पेरेंट्स इट सीम्स अ लिटिल ऑड कि मैं वासा बोलूंगी तो अंकल मुझे घूम के देख लेंगे, तो थोड़ा सा वो वियर्ड हो जाता है. आई एम ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू गेट यूज टू कॉलिंग हिम बाय हिज नेम. So yeah, the update is that you will be seeing less of Vasa moving on because I had a few days off, because of which we tried to get all of our shopping and घर का जो भी जितना भी काम हो सकता था, we tried to do all of that in this time span because I was vacant and अभी जैसे कि in the next few days I am starting with a new job and everything, so I will not be available a lot, so that is one reason. So yeah, we won't be doing sleepovers as frequently as we have been. So naturally, Devesh will not be a part of the vlogs as much. You will still see him, of course, but मुझे देखने की आदत डाल लो क्योंकि you will be seeing this face more often now.
हाँ बढ़िया है ना भाई.
देखो मतलब कहने की बात स्पीकर तो थोड़ा थोड़ा हूँ, है ना भाई, मोटिवेशन करना है बस।
और मुझे और एक ऐसा आइडिया आया है माइंड में कि आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट डेली व्लॉगिंग। लेट मी नो इफ यू गाइज आर इंटरेस्टेड, या आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा या नहीं। I mean, if you feel like, do drop a comment and let me know if you would be interested in watching me making vlogs daily. So we could maybe, I mean, it is difficult, but I would like to give it a shot. And if you guys show your support, then I'm sure it's gonna give me a very nice boost, and I'll be able to do it. So just to give you a short brief, इससे पहले I started my journey in retail. After college, I first worked at Mango, which was in Forum. People from Kolkata would know. Forum Mall में Mango करके एक स्टोर है जहाँ पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया था अपना करियर। वहाँ पे मैंने I was there for about 4 months. ज़्यादा देर नहीं थी मैं वहाँ पे because I had gotten a better opportunity at Charles and Keith, where I worked for a year as a fashion consultant. Post that, I again got another opportunity for Michael Kors, where I have spent the most number of days या तो experience कह लो जो भी। तो I have worked with Michael Kors for almost 4 years. And yeah, it's been a beautiful journey. There's been so much to learn, and मेरा जो भी career graph है जहाँ भी है, along with my hard work and dedication, of course, that place has given me a lot of things to learn and a lot of experiences. I've met so many clients out there and made so many relations. Even my colleagues there, I share a very good rapport with them. Not everyone, of course, but me. Not everyone, but then yes, people who have even left Michael Kors while I was still working there, I'm still in touch with them. Adrija, if you're watching this, you know. Yes, so yeah, I do have dear and close friends from Michael Kors, but I think my time there was done. I mean, 4 years is a good time to stay at a place, and I think it was time to move on. And moreover, reason for me to move on was because I have gotten another opportunity from Charles and Keith. Yes, the same place that I worked as a फैशन कंसल्टेंट। सो एक सेकेंड, उससे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूँ, मैं माइकल कॉर्स में 4 साल थी, लाइक आई सेड, एंड आउट देयर आई अगेन स्टार्टेड एज अ फैशन कंसल्टेंट, but then I got promoted to assistant manager recently, and as soon as I got this opportunity, as soon as I got my assistant manager papers, soon after I was approached by another senior of mine from Charles and Keith, who I have worked with in the past when I was there. And yes, they approached me for a better position. They've offered me a promotion, and I am proud to say that I have joined Charles and Keith as the store manager. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Tommy.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, it is a big deal to me, because I'll be going back. It's going to be a full circle moment for me, first of all, because मैंने वहाँ पे, like I said, उससे पहले मैं 4 महीने ही थी मैंगो में। तो चार्ल्स एंड कीथ में भी आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स। आई मीन, माई मेजर चंक ऑफ लर्निंग हैज हैपेंड देयर, एंड वर्किंग एज अ स्टाफ देयर, and then within 4 years going back to the same place as a manager is kind of a big deal to me. And I do know that there are going to be a lot of challenges, and there'll be a lot of learning here as well, क्योंकि पूरा रोल ही अलग होने वाला है. Like, I'll be on the opposite side of the spectrum as to what I was till now. So yes, there's a lot of work that needs to go on here mainly. And yes, I am very excited, and I've had a good amount of rest, and काफ़ी सारा काम भी किया है हमने, like you heard. And yes, I've had a good amount of rest. I feel well rested, and I feel very ready to start this new journey. वैसे देखा जाए तो it's like a new phase of my life, क्योंकि बहुत सारे changes एक साथ हो रहे हैं. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to all of that. And along with that, if you guys are interested, and if you think you would like to watch what goes on in my life and changes I bring in my personality and whatever I'm learning, be it घर का काम या बाहर का काम, क्योंकि घर का काम भी मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता है बोला जाए तो, and I do need to know some basic things before moving into a new household and everything. So yeah, it's a great learning curve for me this entire 6 months. So if you guys are up for it, do let us know in the comments. And yes, I think that was about it for today's video. एंड आई नो कि ये व्लॉग फॉर्मेट में नहीं है, सिट डाउन फॉर्मेट में है, थोड़ा बोरिंग लग सकता है, आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट जो भी फीडबैक है गाइज आप लोग कमेंट्स में ज़रूर दे सकते हो. आई मीन वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू एनी काइंड ऑफ पॉजिटिव और यू नो critical feedback, anything that would help to make us better, because of course we have just started. I did have a YouTube channel way back, I think कितना टाइम पहले होगा मम्मी? 2018, तो that's like around 6 years पहले मेरा एक YouTube चैनल हुआ करता था, शार्लेट्स प्लैनेट बोल के. People who know me शुरू से they would know about this channel, but अभी मैंने सारे वीडियोस हाइड कर देगा, इसको ढूंढना, सर्च मत करना, उसको नहीं देखोगे तो अच्छा है.
शर्मा गई, हिंदुस्तानी लड़कियां कितनी अच्छी होती हैं.
ब्लॉगिंग भी हमने अभी नया स्टार्ट किया है, तो आई एम श्योर देयर इज अ लॉट to know and a lot to do and a lot of places where we can improve, and we are all up for that. तो also बहुत लोगों ने हमें बताया कि हमारा जो vlogs है उसमें we tend to use a lot of English. I mean most of it used to be in English, but then we got some feedback from friends and family कि आप लोग थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करो, so that people, of course, so that everybody can relate to it, and we definitely want to make such kind of content which everybody would be able to enjoy, regardless of the language or the age or anything. So any kind of feedback is very very welcome to us. And yes, with that I think I would like to end this video. And ये भी और एक पॉइंट है कि हर वीडियो के एंड में हम आउट्रो करना भूल जाते हैं, तो अब से दिस वीडियो ऑनवर्ड्स आई एम होपिंग दैट वील गेट टू दैट ऑल्सो. मम्मी पे जैसे कर रही है. Anyway, so I think yes, if you like this video, then please do hit the like button, share it with your friends and family if you think anyone would enjoy watching these kind of videos. Like I said, leave your comments and your feedback down below. It is always very welcome. And most importantly, सब्सक्राइब अगर नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब रेड कलर का बटन होता है, उसमें सब्सक्राइब लिखा होता है, वो दिखे, और वो अगर अभी भी रेड दिख रहा है मतलब आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो नहीं किया है तो प्लीज कर दो. इट इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एंड इट वुड मीन अ लॉट टू अस. तो अगर पसंद आए तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. एंड आई होप to see you guys very soon in a new video. Till then, stay tuned, and I hope you have a lovely day ahead. नहीं, lovely day अगर day में नहीं देख रहे तो. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching.